Kasagai Mumbai. Welcome back to another new show of the Travel Night. और फाइनली बहुत टाइम बाद एक वीडियो बना रहा है एंड एज यू कैन सी इट्स क्रिसमस मेनू क्रिसमस ईव एंड क्रिसमस में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम करते हैं लाइक शॉपिंग प्लानिंग गिफ्टिंग आउटिंग लॉट ऑफ अदर स्टफ एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इज फॉर मी ऑफ कोर्स हॉलीडेज बट सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्रिसमस में क्या है अब फॉर फूडीज लाइक आवर्स इट इज़ डेफिनेटली द क्रिसमस मेन्यू द स्वीट्स द सेवरीज द केक लॉट ऑफ स्टफ राइट तो मैंने इसलिए डिसाइड किया क्यों ना मैं आप लोगों के लिए क्रिसमस में कुछ स्पेशल लेके आऊँ इसलिए क्रिसमस के एक वीक पहले वी आर शूटिंग समथिंग हियर with a home baker 21-year-old home baker who has his own brand under the name Bliss. अब क्या स्पेशल कवर करने वाले हैं क्या क्रिसमस स्पेशल मेन्यू है ये तो अब मैं आपको थोड़ा सा सस्पेंस में रखूंगा so let's see. So guys, here we have Ritik from the brand Bliss and also a very good friend of mine. So hi Ritik, what's
Hello.
up?
Hi.
So Ritik, I am so excited for Christmas और you know मैंने ऐसा सिमिलर शूट पहले किया है सो मुझे आई थिंक सब कुछ पता है बट स्टिल वी वांट अदर्स टू नो लाइक व्हाट आर वी बेकिंग टुडे एंड व्हाट इज देयर इन द स्पेशल क्रिसमस मेन्यू सो जस्ट अ जिस्ट ऑफ इट सो व्हाट आर वी डूइंग टुडे
Okay, so today we are making the opposite version. I mean, we have a healthy version of red velvet, but this
Okay.
one we are making red velvet which has maida or refined flour. So it's kind of people's opinion. They wanted to try the original one, not the
हाँ
healthy
यार
one.
मतलब क्रिसमस पे कौन ही मतलब
Yeah.
सोचता है यार मतलब फिटनेस पे यार क्रिसमस इज जस्ट टू एंजॉय एंड फॉर समवन लाइक मी आई जस्ट वांट टू टेस्ट एंड हेल्थी वर्जन वो बाद में कर लेंगे साल के बाकी की 365 डेज है राइट 64 व्हाटएवर इट इज सो बेसिकली वी आर गोना मेक रेड वेलवेट व्हाट
cookie.
रेड वेलवेट कुकिंग
Cookie, yeah.
Okay, now that's something I've never tried before. Red velvet pastry खाया, cake खाया है, donut भी खाया है for a change. But yeah, cookie is going to be something different. I already have a picture in mind. So I think let's start it. And then we can
Yeah,
start baking, right?
sure.
Cool.
Oh.
Okay, let's go for it.
So we'll start with butter. This is softened butter.
All right.
Okay. And then
So पहले basically butter डाल
yeah, so we are doing creaming method.
creaming method.
Yeah. So we have to cream both the butter as well as the sugar.
Okay. All right. So अब बटर को और शुगर को जो है हम मिक्स करेंगे राइट या राइट ओके
Then we'll add some milk. So the milk also has some vinegar in it, so it gives a sour taste to the cookie.
ओके
So it gives the different taste to the cookie. So
ओके
yeah.
तो ये पड़ गया मिल्क
So now the most important thing is the color.
ओके
So I'm gonna add a lot, not a lot, but a generous amount of color.
Okay. So for red velvet to look red and give the
Yeah,
Christmas
so-
vibes, it is definitely important. The red color, it already looks so lovely. Such a pretty color. Just look at so pretty, and actually ये match भी कर रहा है मेरे कपड़ों से. हम दोनों के I think so. It looks lovely. So yeah, let's go for it. What's next?
Okay. So I think the color is good.
Okay.
So now what we're gonna add is our dry ingredients.
Okay.
So what I've done is I've taken flour,
Okay.
cocoa powder, and also a few pinch of corn flour.
Corn flour.
So basically a cookie has to be a bit chewy. So corn flour gives a very nice chewy texture and flavor.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so now I'm gonna mix it.
A lot of mixing, lot of
Yeah. So
hand energy is required.
for mixing dry ingredients to wet ingredients, you need a lot of patience. You should have a lot of patience. I mean, it takes.
I mean, you're doing HM, so you know, right?
Yeah.
I think that's also the part of teaching in HM that you have a lot of patience, and especially baking, you have to be very precise. I mean, now people know, right? I mean, you guys have seen my video. a bit baking expert myself.
Okay.
I did a quite good job last time making some cupcakes.
Just move your head.
Move
Just
my
to mix
hands.
the flour
Oh,
with the beater.
okay with the. Yeah, right. I was quite good at it. Okay, so it looks good.
Looks good, but I think so it requires a bit of more color.
Okay.
Add 2 drops of color.
Mm-hmm. So like I said, it requires a lot of patience. You have to keep
Yeah.
checking that, if the sugar is well, the consistency of the batter is well or not, color looks good or not. Every single thing, it goes hand in hand. And this is my favorite part, which I love doing. Or you could just say this is the best thing I could do in baking.
So Zen, our batter is ready, as you can see.
Yeah, there's the batter. Show them.
And basically, so it contains butter, so it needs to be cooled down. And then we'll make
So हम इसको अभी फ्रिज में रखेंगे, like nicely we'll wrap it up and keep it in the fridge. For how long?
for half an hour.
For half an hour.
1 hour.
Oh, I have to wait for half an hour. So no worries. Okay, so we'll wait for half an hour and then we will show you quickly. आपके तो 1 second की बात है.
So it's been half an hour. As you can see, our batter is ready to bake. So I have made rounds of the batter. So like almost 15 of the cookies. So I'm baking 6 for now. So it will take around 15 minutes. That's it. And after 15 minutes, I'm going to buy chocolates. And that's it.
As you saw, the cookies look so delicious, so wonderful, and as much as I want, like I'm dying to taste them and give you a review, but कुछ और preparation भी करना है. We have another second preparation, and this is
This is basically our Christmas special strawberry chocolate cake tub. So
strawberry
chocolate
chocolate
cake tub.
cake tub.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's a mini version of chocolate cake along with a strawberry. Okay.
All right. So बात मैं wait नहीं कर सकता. So let's start whatever we're doing.
I'll start my assembling.
Okay.
Simon
So this
offers
is
Sponge. Basically, what I've done is I've made a proper cocoa sponge.
okay.
And I've cut it into pieces so that I can assemble it. What I'm trying to do is that I'm keeping the slices very thin and as much as possible so that people can enjoy the ganache.
अच्छा. So that was the entire process, and you can see this is looking so beautiful. I mean, this is really a masterpiece here, Ritik. I mean, it's looking so loaded with so much of chocolates and strawberries. I mean, ये हाँ मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. इससे पहले थोड़ा यहाँ पे अनहाइजीनिक मामला हो जाए, इससे पहले मेरे मुंह से लालियाँ टपके. So I think so. We have our cookies ready. We have the cake tub ready as well. So let's go for the final tasting part, and so that you guys can also quickly watch it, like it, and order it. Finally, you can see the both final products are here. बहुत ज़्यादा वेट किया है इसके लिए. आपके लिए तो सिर्फ 10 या 15 मिनट होंगे. For us, it was like good 2 hours. So finally, you can see there is cookies here, which look so pretty. You can look at the color; it's so colorful, and it's actually giving you those Christmas vibes. right?
Yeah.
I cannot wait because my mouth's watering. Like literally for 2 hours I've waited. So, may I?
Sure.
Okay, lovely. So, there we have the cookie. The white chocolate इसके ऊपर रखा है, बहुत अच्छे से तरीके से मेल्ट हुआ है ना, it's nice soft. And for those who know me very well, white chocolate is something which I'm fond of more than normal chocolate. It's nice soft, हल्का सा. So I'm just going to break this and show you. So देख के मुझे फर्क नहीं लग रहा, you know, it literally looks like those red velvet pastries which I have had. And I think मैं बहुत बात कर रहा हूँ, टेस्ट कर ही लेता हूँ. God, that's so heavenly, Ritik. Nice. बाहर से nice. It's like a very lovely. I don't know. I can't describe in words. Perfectly baked, I would say. बाहर से हल्का सा crisp आ रहा है, but अंदर से it's nice soft, which is the way I like my cookies. Crispy मतलब मुझे बिस्किट वाली फील आती है. Soft हो जाएगा, something which I generally don't prefer. A lot of people do. Best part is if you tell your preference कि आपको crispy चाहिए, you want it nicely done, or if you want it little to be gluey, you can just let him know while placing your orders and he will make it custom for you. I will eat this nicely, but then I have something more interesting, which is the chocolate strawberry cake tub. Tempting, right? For me. So ये directly आपको आता है. This is their brand Bliss. A nice color, gives you the chocolate vibes, chocolate and cake. Now I have this tub in front of me. अब मैं आपको लगेगा मैं डायरेक्टली टब में से खा रहा हूँ, बट दिस इज हाउ यू सपोज टू ईट इट. बट दिस इज वेरी गुड व्हाइल यू आर ट्रैवलिंग ऑन अ जर्नी. अगर आपको रेडीमेड चाहिए, ऑब्वियसली यू कैन नॉट टेक द एंटायर केक, राइट? बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ हो जाती है. दिस इज समथिंग इवन इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग टू योर नेटिव प्लेस, ट्रेन वगैरह में जा रहे हैं, आपको लग रहा है चलो एक डेजर्ट फील चाहिए आपको, यू कैन टेक दिस. सो अ वेरी नाइसली कॉन्सेप्ट डन यूनिकली. आई हैव दिस नाउ. Nice and soft. Look how lovely it looks, right? You know the best part of what my job is? It's to tease my cinematographer. It's to tease Himanshu. जो अभी शूट करते करते मुझे बड़े गुस्से वाले लुक्स दे रहा है. But you know, this is the best part of my job. Oh God. I'll give the feedback later. आई स्वेयर मेरे दिल से इतनी दुआएं निकल रही हैं ऋतिक तुम्हारे लिए, मैं बोल नहीं सकता. दिस इज बाय फार वन ऑफ द बेस्ट केक्स, hands down. I swear, hands down. And I got mind blown, bro. It's super chocolatey. It's delicious, soft, nice. Because of the strawberries, they are so fresh, right? उसका एक खटास वाला फ्लेवर भी आ रहा है. This is by far the best cake I've ever had, and no doubt I'm telling you this. It's not a paid promotion. I'm genuinely telling you, it's a genuine feedback. And trust me, if you do not order this, or if you have not tried this, it's one of the best things you're missing in your life. And if you are in Vasai and you do not order this, then I don't know what to do. I swear. But thank you so much, Ritik, for having us here, and for this lovely cookies and for the cake. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Details are mentioned in the description. If you want to place an order, the Instagram link is also mentioned. And if you like the video, please make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe it. And in advance, wish you a happy and Merry Christmas.